Hello, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to learn about the scanf function, and we also take one program or one question of scanf function. So let's get into the video. First of all, what is scanf? Scanf is a function. This function is used to input the value in variable in an output screen. Means when we go to output screen, we have to input the value for a variables, and then they done a calculation. The basic syntax or the basic form of the scanf function is we have to write scanf, and then you have to write a format code. What is format code? Format code is that the person d in double quotes, the person d is a format code, and you have to give comma and 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 any variable, whatever variable we will take in that, so we have to write there. Like if we take a, so we have to write a, b, c, anything. This is the basic code of for writing the scanf, and this is the basic format when we have to use scanf. So our today's question is, see, this is our today's question. Write a program in C. The WAPIC is the short form of write a program in C to input a values. To input a values in A and B by keyboard to calculate a sum of A and B and display the result on an output screen. So we have to make uh, a sum for a and b, and we have to give it a values in a variable a and b. So we start our basic format. We write here first basic format hash hash include narrow bracket conio dot h, and at the top we write hash include studio dot h. This is the main header text, header line. This is the head of the program. And we use main function, open curly bracket, close curly brackets. For making a full screen, you have to use F5 for that. Then, first we have to take a variable, and we have to uh, show them which variable type is that, which data type is that variable is. So we are taking the integer data type, so we type here int, and we are taking x, y, and z. These three these three variable we are taking for that. We write clear screen for making our page, making our output screen is clear. Here we have to give it which message we want on our output screen, and then after that we have to type, or we have to use scanf function. First we type printf. The printf is also a function to print anything, any message or any number. So we have to type here enter a value for a and b. So what we are doing here, we have to type, or we have to enter value for a and b. After that we have to use scanf function. So what we have seen, scanf, and how many output we have to, sorry, how many input we have to put on output screen, so we have to use that types of formats. Like we have to use, we are doing two variables or two our inputs on output screen, so we have to write two format code here, like %d and %d. Like two time we have to write here %d, and which variable we have to put, use comma, and we are writing for x, comma, and y. We are giving input for x and y, so we write here x and y. After that, we have to do a sum. Like we change this variable as sum for your understanding. Then we use sum equals to x plus y. We have to sum for that. We have taken some variable and we do addition for x and y. After that, we have to write a print what message we want. After calculating, we write printf function, we use printf function, and the message is the sum of x and y is x and y is, जो भी उनका सम रहेगा, और we have to use %d and comma, and which variable we have to print here, we print here sum. Don't forget to write a semicolon. If you forget that, you will get an error on that. Get ch for get characters. This is our program. We run and then we try what we are getting. For run a program, you have to hold control F9. Control F9. This. We have to enter value for A and B. So first, like we are giving value 50 for A, and for B, press or click enter and then write a value for B, and we taken 50 also for B. We hit enter. After the enter, what we have seen here, the sum and x and y is, we have to write here D. You see here we have to write here a D and then run 50 for A and 50 for B. Then we get the sum of that. The sum of x and y is 100. If you want to understand in proper, so you also use x equals to %d and y equals to %d. So you know which value we have given for x and which value for y. X comma y comma sum. Then we run it. Error. Expression syntax. Oh, we type here two times commas, so that's why we run here, and we gives 50 for A and 50 for B. You have seen here the sum of x equals to 15 and y equals to 15 is 100. So this is our scanf function, and we have seen here how we can use scanf function, and we do this question for that. So that's all for this video. In next video, we find how we can find the area of circle in C. This is also an important question. This question is also asked in an exam of a computer science. So this is also an important question. So thank you for watching this video.